audio and photos on in this USB drive, and it automatically started loading everything and downloading everything to the screen. So USB worked great. Hello my friends, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this 10-inch photo frame. So to go over a couple quick features with you, you can get the app on Google Play or Apple Store. It's VP or V Photo Smart Frame app. The screen is 10.1 inches. Resolution is 1280 by 800 pixels. And you can share your photos and short videos to DPF with using your smartphone, app, USB, SD card, or PC management email. So without further ado, let's open this up. Let's check this out and see how it looks. And you probably could leave that on there if you wanted to. It's, you know, that's up to you if you guys want to. It said peel off, so we're just following what it says. So yeah, it's actually very simple. On the back here, you have your RST port, micro port, USB, DC in, TF cards slot, power button on the back here. So we probably, yeah, it probably has to be plugged in to work. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right, guys, so we're using our power bank to power this Wi-Fi cloud photo frame. So came on right away. I assume, you know, once you put in a SD card or something, that it will bring up your photos. Once it loads up, you're going to go through a menu, and it is touch screen. So you just go through the menu here and you select your language, and you just go through everything, connect to Wi-Fi and all that fun stuff. All right, guys, so once you actually have this set up, you can actually go through the weather. You can see the weather on here, and, you know, as you guys can see here, it will show the weather, and you can open that up and go over details of your weather. So not only is it just a picture frame, it shows the local weather. You can add more areas. You can, you know, tap the next day, go back here, and guys, you can set up your clock. So you can have it cool, different, you know, different clock styles. This is really nice, guys. I love this a lot. Very nice. So very, very nice. Oh, here we go. Hold on. How do we pause this? TF card would not work at all, no matter what I did. So we put video, well, no, we put audio and photos on in this USB drive, and it automatically started loading everything and downloading everything to the screen. So USB worked great. And yeah, now, you know, due to copyright reasons, we can't play the audio, but a little bit you guys can see. And now it's a slideshow, which is actually pretty cool. So overall, I like it. And you guys can manually slide either direction. Screen is full rotatable, so you can turn your whole screen how you want it. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it. And you can go out, let's see here. Go back, take you to everything. Go under all, and you can see all, and just let it load. Now, I don't know if it saves it to this, but we can just keep our USB drive in there. I don't really care. But yeah, I'm very happy. And it also does play videos, no problem whatsoever. So it plays videos without any issue.